Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail search not showing old emails step by step in 2026. Sometimes when you search in Gmail, older emails don't appear, even though you know they exist. This usually happens due to Gmail settings, filters, labels, or sync issues. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Check your search query. Make sure your keywords are correct. Use quotes for exact phrases like project update Q1. Use Gmail search operators like from colon to colon, subject colon, or has colon attachment to narrow your results. Step 2. Search in all mail. Old emails might have been archived and won't appear in the default inbox search. Click All Mail on the left sidebar and search there. This ensures archived messages are included. Step 3. Disable filters that skip emails. Go to Settings, greater than Filters and Blocked Addresses. Check if any filters automatically skip, archive, or delete messages. Edit or remove filters that hide old emails from search results. Step 4. Check labels and categories. Emails might be sorted into promotions, updates, or custom labels. Search using label or category. Operators, for example, label, project, or category updates. Step 5. Check Gmail sync settings for mobile. If you're using the Gmail app, go to Settings, greater than your account. Greater than sync settings, make sure all or at least a long enough time period is selected to sync older emails. Step 6. Clear browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache can affect Gmail search. Go to Settings, greater than privacy and security, greater than clear browsing data. Select cached images and files and cookies, then clear them. Step 7. Try incognito mode or a different browser. This helps identify if extensions or browser settings are causing search problems. Step 8. Check Gmail storage. If your account is near storage limits, old emails may not sync properly. Free up space in Google account greater than storage if needed. Step 9. Rebuild local search index if using Gmail in a desktop client. If you access Gmail via Outlook or Thunderbird, rebuilding the client's search index may restore old email visibility. Step 10. Contact Google support. If the problem persists after trying all these steps, reach out to Google support for account-specific solutions. By following these steps, your Gmail search should start showing old emails again, making it easier to find messages from months or even years ago. And that's how to fix Gmail search not showing old emails step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Gmail troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.